Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable Christmassy holiday garland. First we'll use our needle and long twine and thread on all 6 of our beads. Once all of our beads are strung on, we'll tie a little loop at the end to make it easier to hang places and just to make the edge a little bit neater. Then we'll slide our bead on the end to cover the loop and start stringing on our pieces of fabric. Folding it in half and pulling the loose ends through the loop and pulling it tight. And you'll just repeat this process in whatever pattern you like, over and over again, putting 4 different pieces of fabric in between each bead. Now I've completed one section. I'm just going to keep going and keep filling it in as desired. It's starting to get full. Getting some sections done. I found this super fun to do. And as I pulled, some of the fabric had a lighter inside, so I made sure when I was tying the knot to try to twist the edges around so that way the most colorful part of the fabric was showing. Almost finished here. Once you're finished, that would be the best time to add your essential oils straight onto the wooden beads for some extra Christmas scent. And there we go. Thanks for watching.